Great environment art often tells a story before any characters even appear, and that storytelling usually begins with carefully placed visual clues. Today, how to explore photo bash storytelling visuals. Open Photoshop and create a canvas around 3600 by 2100 pixels so the environment has room for narrative details. Fill the background with a neutral sky tone to establish the base atmosphere. Import a landscape or city environment image and position it across the canvas as your foundation layer. Now begin adding storytelling elements such as abandoned vehicles, broken structures, glowing lights, or pathways leading through the scene.